This time at the Quick Speed Shop, I went to the junkyard. I got a whole bunch of parts to start putting Project Green Machine F250 back together again. Let's check it out. Alright, bam, check this out. The first thing I want to show you that I got is this awesome kneeling pad. I found this in the junkyard. It's in the back of a Blazer or something. Check it out. This thing's awesome. I can kneel and get things done and not be hurting my knees. It was free. This thing's great. So what did I get here? Let me kneel on over here. I went to one junkyard, which was kind of a disaster place, a big mess full of mud, but I did find a mint green hood. It's not the cracked green, it's the lighter green of the 96 F250, but it was one of the few straight hoods I could find. It's got a couple scratches in it, but the underside is real nice. I think it had fluid film on it, and it's got like almost no rust anywhere, so I bought that. I was able to talk the guy down with the hood and the hinges to $100. And then we went to the other junkyard, which turned out to be awesome. I went and found two mint fenders. These are probably aftermarket replacement fenders because they're on a rustier F150, but they're completely rust free and they're very, very straight. Nice paint on them. So I got both left and right ones. They were $25 a piece. Cha-ching! I also went and found the core support extension I needed for the passenger side. It's got a little bit of surface rust on it, but it's in good shape. Got a grill headlight surround support piece I needed. Got a brand new upper radiator hose. Got two sets of cab light clearance lights for the roof with the wiring harnesses. An almost brand new serpentine belt and a radio, factory AM/FM cassette radio. All this stuff, the fenders and all this stuff here was 60 bucks. That was a good deal. So what I also got today at the same junkyard was a set of brand new military NDT 750/16 tires for my Jeep projects. If you saw my videos where I brought home the vintage military Jeeps, I went and I scored a whole set of brand new ones the guy had at the junkyard. That was an awesome deal to find those. 200 bucks for all four of them. You buy those from Coker, they're over $200 a piece. So that was an awesome score. I had to get those. And then a neat little hot rod part. This is an old school tow bar made out of a Ford wishbone. And it was on a guy's Model A hot rod coupe. And, you know, we would have frame towed these cars around back in the day. I bought a gantry crane from him. And he gave me this as part of the deal. So that was real awesome. Neat old piece of hot rod history. So all in all, a fantastic day at the junkyard. Got all the parts and pieces that I needed that I didn't have in stock. So let's go ahead, let's go up to the secret parts stash and see what else we can find for this truck. Alright, here I am up in my secret parts stash in the attic of the Quick Speed Shop. And it's where I got a lot of parts that parted out from things. AMC Eagle parts, Ford van parts, other parts over here. But what I got over here first, let's see what I got. Oh, look at this. Bam. The radiator for the F250. This is out of my old green F250 regular cab that I parted out last year. Good radiator, in stock. Here we go, ready to go. So I'll set this aside. We'll take that. I'll take this down. Go over here by the hatch. What do I got over here? Got a front exhaust system. I don't need that right now. Power steering coolers. I think that's a fan shroud. I think I need that. Over here, yeah, need the fan shroud. Bam, got that. Got a bunch of miscellaneous parts here, mechanical parts, AC compressor, fan. I don't need that. Don't think I need anything out of here just yet. This is van S10 and Ford. Alright, bam, let me go, I'll spin around, we'll go to the other side and see what we see here, because I don't think I need any of this stuff right at this time. Oh, hold on, I see something I might need. Yes. Here we go. I do need this. This is the core support to lower radiator support spot where the hood latch mounts to that. I need this, so we got that in stock. What else we got here? Alright, I think that's it now. Alright, one thing I do need is a tail light. Here we go. Here's a right-hand tail light. Need that. What else I got? Oh, I got another centerpiece. Hold on, I got a couple of centerpieces. Actually, these are in better shape. These centerpieces are in better shape. This one's rust-free, but it's different. That's for bullnose Ford. That one's about the same shape as the other one. I'll leave those here. What else we got? Oh, I did have some extension pieces here, the core support extensions. I forgot I had these. They look like they're both kind of hosed. Wait a minute, there's one behind it. Hold on. Aha! What side is this? Oh, I guess I didn't need to get that one today because here's a pretty good one. I might take this down because I think I broke off the lower fender bolt on the one side. I'm going to take this down. What I do have is a set of, ouch, you got me. A set of fender flares for that style truck, old BS Ford truck, that I think I might put on. I'll cover up the rust in the bed, but they stick out quite a bit. I'm not sure if I'm going to put these on or not, but I do have a full set of fiberglass fender flares off another truck I parted out. I think that's about it. Let's go over to the other attic space and we'll pull down the header panel with the headlights and the grill and all that. So I'll take this, I'll take the tail light, and then we'll get the radiator and all that stuff. We'll get all that down. Alright, I'm up here in the big attic. What do I got here? I got a complete front assembly here. I got the headlights, marker lights, grill, piece under the grill, and the plastic surround behind all this. Off a 92 F250. So, I'm gonna bring this down. Stop fighting me. So that's all we need there for putting the grill and all that back together. We got a green under the headlight piece here. I'll take that down because the truck's green and it's the right color green. Here's the part that ties it all together. This is a reproduction core support I found at a pick and pull last year, and somebody took some other parts off, and this thing was like free and clear, so I grabbed it. And this thing's like 200 bucks. I think I paid like $35 for it. So it's brand new. It's never been painted. That was a good deal at the time, and it's coming in handy now. So I think that's it. This is all stuff in the attic we need. Oh, hold on, there goes the radiator. Radiator mount. Where's my helpers? Alright, so bam, there we go. These are the parts I need, along with the stuff outside, to put that whole truck back together again. So the next time, we're going to get the torches out, we're going to straighten those front frame rails, and start to reassemble this guy. So, as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Hit the bell for alerts, tell your friends. And as always, we'll see you right back here for more hot rod stuff and Ford truck stuff at the Quick Speed Shop.